everybody, this is Trey Wright for Jazz Guitar Today. In this first installment, I'm going to be looking at guide tones. Guide tones are really the building blocks of both chords and scales. When we talk about guide tones, we're really referring to the third and seventh of a chord. Now in jazz, there's three families of chords that we tend to talk about: major, minor, and dominant. Major family of chords, the major 7 family, is built 1, 3, 5, 7. The dominant 7th family of chords is 1, 3, 5, flat 7, and then minor 7 is root, flat 3, 5, flat 7. So if you notice, the only thing that's different between those three families of chords is really the guide tones, the 3rd and the 7th. So the way we're going to find these is really based off the major scale. If I play a major scale and give each note a number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 can be the same as 1 and then it starts over. 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. So to play major 7, I'm going to find a major 7th chord. The first thing I'm going to do is find my major 7th interval. There's my octave. Your major 7th interval is always a half step underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then my third, if I keep going from the octave, 1, 2, 3, there's my major 7th chord played in just guide tones. A lot of times we call these shell voicings, in which it just has a 7 and a third. So there's root, 7, 3. Now to make this chord dominant, I need to flat my 7. So there's my major 7, this F sharp. It goes down a half step to flat 7. So now my chord is root, flat 7, 3. Now for minor 7, I'm going to take this third and flatten it one more time. So now I have root, flat 7, flat 3. So again, to review, here's my major 7th shell voicing, root, 7, 3, dominant 7th, root, flat 7, 3, and then minor 7th, root, flat 7, flat 3. Now I'm going to do the same thing off the 5th string. Here's my scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 3, and then 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's my major 7 shell chord, root, 3, 7. Now if I want to form dominant, I'm going to take my F sharp again, my major 7, and lower it a half step. So now I have root, 3, flat 7. And then if I want to create minor 7, I'm going to take my third and flatten it again. So now I have root, flat 3, flat 7. So here's major 7, 1, 3, 7, dominant 1, 3, flat 7, minor 7, 1, flat 3, flat 7. We can do the same thing off the 4th string. Again, here's my scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is the same as 1, 2, 3. If I play these, it's almost easier just to throw in the 5th. So a major 7 looks like this. I have root, 5th, 7, 3, and then dominant 7th, which I have root, 5th, flat 7, notice I moved down a half step, major 3rd, and then to create minor 7, I'm going to play the same voicing but move my 3rd to a flat 3, and you get this sound. I would highly recommend using this fingering, although this one may appear easier at first. You'll eventually want some room for your other fingers to play other notes. Okay, so again, that's major 7, dominant 7th, minor 7th. So I would encourage you to find these on all 3 string sets. So there's major 7, major 7, major 7, dominant 7th, dominant 7th, dominant 7th, minor 7th. So I'd encourage you to mess around with these chords, apply them to standards you know. In subsequent installments, we'll talk about the ramifications of guide tones for improvisation. If you want to find out more about me, or if you have any questions, please visit me at treywright.com, TREYWRIGHT.com. Thanks for watching.